What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video is going to be about the Xfuzion. I want to give an update about the Xfuzion, what's going on and how the project is doing. Okay, guys? So the project hasn't started yet, but this is going to be a project on Pulse Chain where you're going to have 4 ways to earn money. Okay, really cool project, really interesting. Nothing similar like this project is out there now. The team is legit. Okay, so I believe this project has good potential to thrive in this rug season. Okay, so currently they are on pre-sale stage. Okay, so you must be wondering why the hell I need these tokens. Okay, so right now you got 4 days, 20 hours, 55 minutes and 45 seconds to join this pre-sale stage. Okay, guys, so they currently have raised 1,700 bucks. They want to raise 150,000 bucks. Okay, so pre-sale will end in 4 days and 20 hours. Okay, so what can you do with these tokens? Xfuzion token. Okay, there will be 4 ways to earn money. Okay, so way number 1 will be, buy and hold the token. Simple as that. So you buy the token will have the price appreciation due to the mechanisms of the token. Okay, so if you come over here, we can see that 49% of the token will be burned. Okay, so this will reduce the total supply. Therefore, if the demand is high, the price will be appreciated. Okay, guys, so that's one way to make money. Okay, way number 2, holding having the Xfuzion token, you then will be able to deposit the Xfuzion tokens on the Zamplify protocol, and you will earn a yield of 2% daily. Okay, so the minimum investment will be 50 bucks. Okay, so you'll have to have a minimum investment of 50 bucks, 50 bucks worth of tokens in order to invest in a Zamplify. Okay, and then later on, they will bring the Xfuzion NFTs. Okay, so you can earn your reward, you can boost your rewards and earn a little bit more. And lastly, you'll be able to stake your Xfuzion into single staking and liquidity pools to earn a passive income. Okay, so if you scroll down, you can see that you can also gonna earn some token reflections. Okay, so 5% of the buys and sells will go to the holder. So whoever holds the token will earn a reflection from those transactions. Okay, those taxes. Okay, and over here we got more information about the Zamplify and why you should hold the NFT, because you'll be able to earn some rewards if you hold the NFT. If you don't not hold the NFT, you're not gonna get any referral rewards. Okay, over here you can see the NFT perks. I already mentioned this in the previous videos. If you haven't watched the previous video where I go into detail about this protocol, go ahead and check it out. It's going to be in the description. And lastly, once the liquidity pools come live, you'll be able to stake to create this liquidity and yields on those pairs. Okay, so essentially that's that, guys. The project, it's very promising. Okay, slowly but surely the project is coming up. Over here we can see the audit has been audited and everything looks well. Okay, I will also recommend you to come over here to the Telegram group if you have more questions about the project. Okay, guys, don't be afraid to come over here and ask as many questions as you want, because there's always someone around be able to answer your questions. Okay, guys, so that being said, I'm going to wrap this video up. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.